Good day everyone. So in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss your lesson 5 to 10 and it's still under your module 2 which is all about non-aromatic hydrocarbons. So let's discuss first your lesson 5 which is all about alkenes and cycloalkenes. So alkenes are a class of hydrocarbons that contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. Say for example kaning molecule as shown here. So, if you can notice na siya double bond between sa duha ka carbons. And alkenes are indicated in the family name and in names for specific compounds by an "-in" ending. So, kung alkene siya, it should be ending in "-in". And previously sa ato ang lesson sa alkenes, ang ending sa alkenes kay "-ane". So, for your alkenes, it is ending in "-in". So, alkenes actually conforms to the general formula CnH2n. Now let's discuss ethene and propene. So ethene and propene are the two simplest alkanes and they are among the most important industrial chemicals being produced. So your ethene or ethylene is used as a starting material for the synthesis of many industrial compounds. So when we say synthesis, is ginagamit siya as starting material for the production of your ethanol, your ethylene oxide, your ethanol, and the polymer na polyethylene. So your ethanol is kabalo naman guro mo ninyong alcohol. Your ethylene oxide which is used as fumigants katong pang-disinfect sa agricultural products. Your ethanol which is ginagamit siya as component of your breathalyzer. And lastly, for your polymer na polyethylene, which is the most common plastic. So, kaning mga certain plastic as shown here are example of plastics nga ang iyang components kay polyethylene. So, katong mga detergent, bottles, mga shopping bags, ug katong mga cling wrap ninyo is mga polyethylene to siya. So, how about propene or propylene? So, propene is used in making the polymer na polypropylene. And in addition to other uses, propene is the starting material for a synthesis of acetone, which is katong ginagamit din sa inyong nails, and cumene, which is ginagamit siya to manufacture paints. Now, ethane actually occurs in nature as a plant hormone, and this certain gas is involved in the ripening process of fruits such as your tomatoes and bananas. In fact, kaning mga trucks na mag-transport of fruits from farm to the supermarkets is mga green na mga fruits ang ilang gina-transport because transporting ripe fruits is prone to damage man. So to make sure na ready to eat or ripe na ang mga fruits pag-abot sa supermarkets, mag-pump sila og ethylene na gas which is known to speed up ripening sa container vans para while on the way is ga-undergo na ang ripening process atong mga unripe pa na mga fruits. So, pwede po nato ni siya actually gamiton na trick sa atong balay, in which if na kay unripe nga fruit, you just have to place ethylene-producing fruit like banana or tomato next to an unripe fruit para mas mapaspas ang ripening ato na fruit. So, these are the structural formulas, the condensed formula and bond-line formula of your simple alkenes such as your ethene, propene, and 2-methylpropene.